In this video, I will show you how to manage digital resources in Constellab. Through the data box, you access to all digital resources that are sorted by their creation date with the most recent displayed at the top. Each resource has a name, a type, for example, a type file, tags which are optional, a creator, and a creation date. Additionally, you will find 3 buttons. The first button with an eye opens a pop-up page displaying the resource's default view. The flag button allows you to mark a resource as important. And finally, the menu button provides access to a list of actions that can be performed from the data box. When you click on a resource page will open, displaying the resource along with a menu bar at the top and the default view. In this menu bar, you can view the name of the resource, which can also be modified directly by clicking on it, along with various buttons offering additional options. You can manage the resource using the menu button from the data box or from the resource page. The button Download allows you to export and download the resource as a file. And please note that not all resources can be downloaded. The button Transformer lets you modify the resource directly by calling a transformer. It will trigger a background experiment automatically. You can use the button Update Tags if you want to change the tags of the resource. Tags help in grouping and finding resources in the data box. You can also update the project or the type of resource and get access to documentation. You can delete a resource. However, if the resource is an output of an experiment, this button may not be displayed, and you would instead need to remove or reset your experiment to delete the resource from the data box. To view more information about a resource, you can open the resource page and then click on Resource Information button. This action opens a dialog with 4 sections. The Resource Info section displays global information about the resource, such as tags, the experiment that generates this resource, the project, the type of resource, etc. From the History of Views section, you can see all the views previously generated for this resource. Simply click on a view to see it. Finally, you can also see in a row all experiments and all reports that use the resource. A flagged resource is a resource that is easily available into the data box. Flagged resources are marked as important and intended to be easily found. By default, only the output resources of an experiment are flagged. Intermediate resources of an experiment are not flagged. Uploaded resources are also flagged by default. You can display no flagged resources using the Advanced Search menu. You have the flexibility to change the flag status of a resource at any time. Simply click on the flag button of the resource in the data box or on the resource page. Thanks for watching. To get access to more content, you can subscribe on our YouTube channel or visit our community website at constellab.community.